Okay. Good morning, John.
Good morning.
I'm so happy to work with you today. Today we are going to be working on word problems, and it's going to be a really fun way to work on word problems. Instead of just looking at a problem that it could be overwhelming looking at word problems, we're going to look at the word problem. We're going to underline some of the important details that this question is asking us, and then we're going to draw a model so that we can figure out the easiest way to figure out the question that it's asking, because it's a really simple question probably, it's just worded differently.
Okay.
So, I have this worksheet that I am going to use, and yes, I want you to write your name, and we're going to do number 1 together.
Okay.
So, first I want you to watch me do number 1, and then I'll let you do it.
Okay.
So, it says, Miss Smith has 7 dogs and 8 cats. So we probably need to know, we need to underline 7 dogs and 8 cats because that's important. Okay. She has 7 dogs and 8 cats. How many animals does Miss Smith have in all? Okay, so in all, that means addition. We know that. So if she has 7 dogs, let me draw my dog. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and now let me draw my cows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many does she have in all? So now I just need to count those. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so Miss Smith has 15 animals. Do you agree?
I agree.
Okay, now I want you to do number 1 and make your model for me.
Okay, the first thing I was supposed to do is underline what I thought was important. Miss Smith has 7 dogs and 8 cats. How many animals does Miss Smith have in all? And all means addition, so I know that means plus. Okay, now I'm going to draw 7 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know since I'm doing addition, I add them together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So that means she has 15 animals.
Good job. So do you see how drawing a model is so much easier than just looking at a word problem and being overwhelmed with all those words?
Yeah, because I can actually look at the picture and see like what I need to do and how many, if I need to add them or subtract them, and it can tell me how many there are.
Right. Okay, so now I want you to try number 2 and number 3 on your own.
Okay. The neighbor has 7 children. Only 3 of her children are boys. How many are girls? So I'm looking for girls. So I know that's going to be subtraction. So 7 children. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it says 3 of them are boys, so I'm going to put B in the ones that are boys.
Good thinking.
And then it wants to know how many girls there are, so that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 girls. Because I took away 3 from 7, and 7 minus 3 is 4.
Good job.
Okay. Number 3 says, a cow has 4 legs. How many legs does 5 cows have? So now, I know this is going to be multiplication because it's saying that they want me to figure out how many this one has, if it has that many. So I'm going to draw a cow. I'm going to put 4 legs on it, just do the little lines like that. And there's 5 cows, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, since I know it's multiplication, it's kind of like addition is, but it's a little bit different. So I'm just going to count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that means 5 cows have 20 legs total.
Good. Let's check our work with my answer key. So, number 2 says, the neighbor has 7 children. Only 3 of her children are boys. How many are girls? So, what I did is I drew little stick people. I put a B in the boys, just like you did. And then I put G's under the girls. And after drawing my figure, it was really easy to see that there were only 4, and you got it right. Number 3 says a cow has 4 legs. How many legs does 5 cows have? So, just like you did, I drew my cow. I put 4 legs on each cow. I added them together, and it was really easy to see that even though it was multiplication, all you had to do was add 4 legs 5 times, and it would give you 20.
Yeah, I also know that 5 times 4 is 20,
So that was easy to see. So, can you tell me what we've been working on today? What did you learn from this strategy?
I learned that whenever I see a word problem, like on a worksheet or a test or homework or anything, and I read it and it looks a little scary at first, but if I just think it doesn't have to be scary, I just go and underline what's important, and then I can draw a picture, and if I draw the picture will help me understand how many I'm looking for or what I'm looking for, and it helps me find the answer.
Good. So today and every day, whenever you're faced with a word problem, you will easily be able to draw a figure, draw a model, and it will help you figure out the answer and not feel stumped. So I actually have a homework sheet for you. I want you to take this home and do it, and then come back to class tomorrow and we'll check it.
Okay,
Sound good? Okay, go back to your desk.
Thank you.